do a Jester's pork crown roast for you. You're gonna love it. It's got a nice Concord grape sauce too. Man, it's gonna be good. Look at this here. All kinds of flavor in that bone. It'll just dissipate throughout that meat right there. You'll love it. Look at that marbling right there. That's just gonna help just infuse all some flavorful juices into that piece of meat. And when you're cooking with a piece of meat like that, keep it real simple. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna zest a little lemon in here, make a little rub. See what I'm doing? Just taking the skin off of this lemon. Can you smell it? Oh man, that is exactly what we're looking for there. Looks great, okay? Little thyme, huh? Smells good.
Smells like lemon.
Oh yeah, you smell the lemon, right? That's all we need there. A little extra virgin olive oil, a little S&P, a little salt and pepper. And folks, you've got a real simple 4-ingredient rub. We're just gonna get busy here. We're just gonna, this is the fun part. Take it and just start caressing your crown pork roast. Just gonna help get a nice crust on the outside here. Remember this, good does not have to be complicated, okay? Keep it simple, all right? Look at that, beautiful. This is going in the fridge overnight. Hey, Charlotte.
Hi.
Very nice. I got one that has been in the fridge overnight. Oh, look at that, y'all. Okay. Got to wash the hands. Now we got to make that delicious Concord grape sauce that I was telling you about. Look at that. Beautiful grapes. Not so good for wine, but perfect for our sauce that we're making here. So put all your grapes just in a nice pot. Looks good, huh? Doesn't that look good? How about a little cinnamon? I'll just throw it right in the middle, right? How about some star anise? All you need is one of these. Tastes a lot like licorice. Serious flavor pop there. Just throw it in there. I got some thyme here. Some more thyme. You know what? Just throw it all in there because we're gonna strain anyways. Peppercorns, throw them in there. And now, a little white grape juice. Okay, if you want to do a little adult flavor, you can use the Zinfandel if you'd like. We'll keep it G-rated here today. Come on. Hey, we got our Concord grape sauce. It's gonna go right on that side burner. It's gonna reduce down for about 20 minutes, okay? Don't want it to boil, just want a nice simmer there. When those grapes pop and release their juices, you know it's good to go. Does that not look great?
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's check out this grill right here. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Road Grill team's got me ready. Okay, I got heat over here, no heat in the middle. Heat, no heat, okay? It's exactly, we're gonna put our drip pan right in the middle. Catch all those wonderful flavors and juices from our roast. Cover this back up. Real simple. Hey, gotta oil that bad boy. I don't want any sticking with my roast. Take the time to do this. It'll pay dividends for you, okay? Just oil that down. Oh, that looks great. Right in the middle. What's gonna happen here? The heat is just gonna engulf that roast for about 20 minutes per pound. We're just gonna shut this. We're looking for 325 Fahrenheit, 160 Celsius. Shut that down and let that grill do its work. Slide right over here. Check out our Concord grape sauce. Oh, that's nice and reduced down. Look at that. Smells great. Ooh, it smells good. Let's check out this roast. Y'all ready to see this roast?
Yeah!
I think they're ready. Oh! Does that not look great? That looks super. I'm hungry just looking at that. Stick this right in the center of your meat here. Getting it down. You want it to go to 150. That'll ensure a nice pink center middle for you. Let's go eat, y'all. What do you say, huh? Yeah! They're doing it, man. They are making it happen. This has been tented. This beautiful roast has been tented for 30 minutes, letting those juices relax and flow all throughout the piece of meat. Y'all ready to see this?
Oh, yeah!
Oh, man. That is insane. It's a beautiful thing.
Hey.
Miss Carrie, can you help me cut that up, please?
I think I can. I'd
While you
love
do that,
to.
I'm gonna get busy with this Concord grape sauce. Remember those seeds we were talking about earlier?
Yeah.
Bad seeds. We don't want them in our sauce because we're gonna strain this. All that thyme, cinnamon. Carrie, that looks tremendous.
Oh, I know.